The election is today. Many candidates have tried, but only two is in the competition now. It is the election of the most powerful man in the world. But who is the man behind the politician? How can he do it? And what did drive him so far? Here is a portrait of Mitt Romney. Mitt Romney was born 12 March 1947 in Detroit, USA. In 1968 he married Ann Romney and gets 5 children and 10 grandchildren. He is a very rich businessman where he owned many types of businesses and had a huge fortune. His politician life really started in 2002 when he was get elected to be the governor for the Massachusetts because his help to the winter UL when it was in economic crisis. In February 2007 declared Mitt Romney formally as a Republican presidential candidate for the 2008 election. A year later, in 2008, he retired and gave the place its support for the Republicans' final candidate, John McCain. Now here in 2012 he is against Obama in the final race to be the President of the United States of America. Now nobody knows how it will end and the election is started. Only the US population can provide the answer.